Hi, hello. Um, my name is Dũng. I'm from Vietnam. I'm I'm presenting about my project. It's called Tennis Court Tennis Court Booking. And here first I'm cd to change directory to my project first, and then flask run. Sorry. Open. I'm just making a quick introduction about my project. It's not nothing major. There are a few files that are needed to take attention to. First is the app.py is a main, the core, containing all the functions, all the APIs of the website of the app. Secondary is helpers.py. I learned making these helpers from the previous project finance for the course 9 or course 8. I don't remember exactly. So helpers, and tennis.db is a db. I'll introduce it later. There is a file readme.md. I documented it very carefully, talking or presenting about my applications, very detailed. There are other files in my my project directory. They are data manipulation.ipynb. I used it to create a sample for my for my DB. That's all. My tennis court information in cities and district. And of course there's a file vn underscore cities is CSV file about all the cities. That's how I made. You can read this. It's not so important, so it's not in scope of the project. It just made it to manipulate data. Template folder includes all the HTML files. That's HTML files relating to the product. Static is styles.css. is where I made my my color, my style for the buttons. I copied the colors for brand and size for brand from the previous project finance, but they are not used here, but I just leave it there. So let's go to login. First, it requires you to log in, but assuming I don't have any user login user, so I am registered to create a new one. Username required field. Let's say it's John. Phone is not required, so I'm not putting in anything into it. Email is not required, but yeah, it's alright. Password, let's simplify it with 1. Just type 1 here. Or there's a check validation of required field. So password must be provided. So I just John password password. I also let's put 2 in password. Passwords do not match, so I have to go back. John 1 1. Let's type. Phone is not required, but I'm putting it in anyway. Oh shit. Email John. This John Doe at mail.com 1 1. Register. Now if you successfully register, the system redirects you back to the login page. Now I'm put John and I just type 2 in here. Well, we all know that the password is 1, but I'm put 2 here. The invalid login information means the password is incorrect. Now John 1 login. Now home, number of bookings, it's O. I'm not I might be lacking of ideas here. Just put it home. It's some statistics observations, but I only came up with the number of bookings, and I think it's alright. It's accepted. Now it's at home. Now there's the tiny logo here is the same as the favorite icon here, but I don't know why, but the image is not loaded. I don't know how. Go to search. I only have data here. Let's go make another terminal. CD project. Now SQL Lite 3 tennis.db. Now .schema. They are all of my tables created. Is also listed in here. Tennis.db here. City, district, code, user, and booking. They're all described in the below sections. Now select asterisk from code. Here. Now here's here all code. So I only have city ID is 18 because where I come from is a demo data. So select asterisk from city where ID equals to 18. Here is Hanoi. So you have to select Hanoi and any district in this. Oh, by the way, all of these are required field. If you check my app, it validates all of my review. Look for the search. Where is the search here? All of the field here. City, district, date, time, duration. They're all required field. Now it's at 3 o'clock. 3 hours. Voila. Here's the result. And search results here. I put another form to call the API book in every row of this table, and the hidden input, including all the needed, all the required fields to insert into the booking table in the database. So when you hit book, let's see, when you hit book here, it inserts. It's first is check if the booking exists or not. Then it try to execute the insert into booking table with a field input. These fields are the fields in this section, form section, but they are all hidden. Type is hidden, so it's not shown on. It is the same as the previous columns values. But yeah, because once you create the form, you have to create fields here. That's all. Oh, sorry. Here. and after it inserts successfully, it redirect users to home. Now let's try it. Boom, number of bookings, it's now 1. And then we go to the bookings page. It's they are this is my booking. Yeah. Then my bookings, where is my HTML booking? Here, the booking is they also has there another script that I made, but I no longer used it. I figured out how to call an API with this form. So yeah, it's the same. Cancel. When you hit cancel, it's called the API cancel with method post. Cancel here, just simple. Delete the row from the booking. Booking. Oh, let's check the booking. No, let's check the booking. Select asterisk from booking. I made a few row before, but my user is ID3, I guess. Let's check from user. Now we have 3 user. I made this earlier. These 2 user earlier, but this is a new one. Number 3, ID number 3. Now I have to select asterisk from booking, where user ID equal to 3. Here, this is my booking. And now when I hit cancel, what does it do? The system will delete my the booking, this booking actually, because I have this ID of the booking ID. This ID 36. Now when I hit this is the flash run. It still have the problem with favorite icon. That's why this icon is not displayed. Yeah. Just go back to here. Then I hit cancel. It returns to home. Number of bookings equals to 0. Now let me check again the DB. Select asterisk from booking, where user ID equal to 3. No, there's no row that has user ID is 3, so it works. Now return to bookings. No data. Now there's a profile. At user ID 3 John, email my phone. User can click on profile to edit the profile. Now John remain the same. Now I put it John Snow. I put it John Snow. No, user ID must be John underscore Snow. Now I delete the phone, delete the email. Now save. Here, it's all gone. And then I check select user from user, where ID equals to 3. Jon Snow, it becomes Jon Snow. Phone and email are deleted successfully, of course. So thank you for watching. Let's log out. Goodbye.